Apple launched their most premium iPhone 13 with a more powerful processor, better camera quality, more battery capacity, but with no charger in the box like they have been doing for a couple of years now. Besides, the iPhone 13 supports up to 20 watts of charging, which means you will not be able to fast charge your device with the previous 5-watt chargers. Moreover, the 5-watt bricks are not compatible with the new USB-C to Lightning cables. So, upgrading to a newer fast charger for your iPhone 13 is as important as getting the phone. And to help you out in finding the best charger for your valuable device, we have rounded up the top 5 best fast chargers for iPhone 13 in one handy guide. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Maximize your charging capabilities with the Spigen USB-C charger, which can ensure a faster and stable power supply to your iPhone 13 for a longer period of time. This compact power brick folds into 0.4 centimeters, making it ultra-portable yet powerful enough to deliver fast charge to your smartphone. This charger can deliver up to 20 watts of power at 3.1 times faster speed, so charging your iPhone 13 would be easier than ever. You can use this charger to charge other USB Type-C supported smartphones as well. Equipped with the latest gallium nitride technology, the charger can deliver power for quite a long time without being overheated. This ensures faster charging with high efficiency, as well as protecting your valuable device from any sort of short circuit or overcharging issues. Overall, if you tend to charge your smartphones too often, getting the Spigen USB-C charger can be a great deal. Power delivery compatible chargers are always better for instantly charging your smartphones, and the Photon PD fast charger is well enough to deliver high-speed charging anywhere. Equipped with the Power Delivery 3.0, this charger can deliver up to 20 watts of power and can fast charge your iPhone 13 up to 50% within 30 minutes. Moreover, the brick comes with a 10 feet long lightning cable so that you don't have to stick around your power socket while charging and using your phone at the same time. The brick comes with multiple safety features and an advanced intelligent chip that ensures full protection from overcharging, overheat, overvoltage, short circuits, and more. So, if you want to have extended access to your iPhone while fast charging, the Photon PD fast charger and its long power cable can get your job done effectively. As getting the iPhone 13 will certainly cost you some big bucks, you might not want to spend some more on getting a charger. No worries, as the Mckee USB-C charger can deliver fast charging at the lowest of prices. This charger is capable of delivering up to 3 times faster charging compared to traditional chargers and provides juice of up to 20 watts in total. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, and you can even charge your AirPods or iPads efficiently. If you need to charge your iPhone 13 for any emergency cases, 30 minutes of charging can fill up 50% of the battery. It also offers built-in safety features such as protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, overtemperature, and many more, keeping you and your devices safe. All in all, getting all these features even at this low price certainly makes the Mckee 20-watt USB-C charger a worthy buying option. An all-in-one charger for charging your iPhone 13 along with other devices such as MacBooks, iPads, and many more. Meet the Anker Nano 2 fast charger, which comes with an upgraded charging technology stacked in a more compressed form factor. This tiny little brick is almost 59% smaller than the conventional chargers, yet is capable of delivering 3 times faster charging to your iPhone 13. It provides up to 30 watts of power while taking less space. With a 20% increase in operating frequency and upgraded circuit board structure, it has one of the best gallium nitride technology, which keeps charger cooler yet delivers high-speed charging. Besides, the Anker Nano 2 comes with standard safety certification so that you can enjoy full peace of mind as well as fast charging your iPhone 13. Last but not least, we have the official USB-C charging adapter from Apple, as many of us might prefer Apple-based products for iPhone 13. With a compact size and lightweight design, you can easily carry this brick wherever you go. Additionally, the charger can deliver up to 20 watts of fast charging through compatible cables, meaning it won't take much time to fully recharge your iPhone 13. The charger's optimal charging technology will also allow you to charge other Apple products such as Watch series and iPads. All in all, this Apple 20-watt USB-C power adapter can be the perfect choice if you want a fast charger for your iPhone 13 at home or at the office. So that was all about the top 5 fast chargers for iPhone 13. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.